Hello, friends. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to learn about how to add an item or adding our daily specials to the online ordering in Tabit. So, the very first and most important thing is that you build your special correctly. You can use either one of the two methods that we learned about in the last video, but you want to double check that that special is built correctly in your tablet before we add it online. If there is something wrong with the way that the special is built, it's going to be harder for that online guest to reach you and get their question answered or let you know. Whereas in store, it's pretty easy for a guest to let us know, or rather a server or bartender let us know, and we can get something fixed right away. So step number one, build the special and double check that it is correct. And then step number two is we're going to add it to the online ordering page. So first we're going to go to your store, and then we're going to select down here customer order, and then customer view. This is exactly all of the items that a customer will see on the online ordering screen. Obviously, it looks way different than this, but you can see each of the folders and categories that we have on our normal menu. Now, we are never ever going to get into any of these top folders. The only one we are ever going to be concerned about is the very, very bottom one, which is the specials category. The rest of them, if we were to get in there and start accidentally maybe deleting something or moving stuff around, we can really mess up the online menu for everyone. And that's not what we want to do. So we are going to stay right down here in our specials folder and never go anywhere else. We're going to click in that. And the first thing that we're going to do is, as you can see, there are no specials already in here. We've already deleted them. If you got in here in the morning to add your special to the online ordering and you still saw specials from the previous day in here, you go ahead and delete them. We'll see how to do that in a second. But to add our special, we're going to click right here in the middle and select Add Items. And you will see the search bar that comes up in all of the Tabit functions. And so we can search right up here at the top by typing in our item, or we can flip through the tabs, whichever floats your boat. So let's see, let's search for, actually, let's do the salad. So we will select the SP salad. And add that item. Now you can see right here how it says Nikki Super Salad. That is because when we built our special, like we saw in the last video, that's what we named it in the offer. Whatever you have in the offer section is what is going to show up online. So either way that you make your special, both ways are going to have the offer name properly titled, so you shouldn't have to worry about your special being named incorrectly online. Whatever you see right here is what is going to show up online. So if you see that it is still showing SP sandwich or SP burger, then that means that you forgot to change the offer name when you were creating the item. Okay, so this is not quite showing up online yet. The last thing that we have to do is come up here and hit Save and Publish right here. Once we've hit Save and Publish, That is when we're going to do our second double check, and we're going to go to the online ordering and double check that it's pulling correctly there. So we can see that we're updated successfully. We're online. Now I can go right here to site link for my double check. And it's probably going to tell me that online ordering is closed for right now because it is a little bit later at night, but I can still view the menu. And the specials are always going to be at the very, very bottom. Boom, there it is. Nikki's Super Salad right there. Now you can see that I forgot to put my description in, which is why I just got a giant white box here versus this beautiful description that could be showing. So that's something I can go back and fix in my items and then hit publish again and get that up there. It is better to have no description than to have a wrong description, but either way, the best practice is to come online and double check that your special looks exactly like you want it to before you get into lunch and get busy and aren't as available to fix it if it is messed up. So to recap, build your special, double check it in the tablet, put it in online, double check it online, and there you go. If you guys have any questions at all or are having any trouble or any confusion, please do not just start clicking around in there. Reach out to the Tabit support people. They can put the specials online for you in 30 seconds. You can also ask them to do this if you're super busy. Or if you have any questions, you can also reach out to our internal support people. But you guys are going to nail this. I hope everyone has a super magical rest of your day. And that's it. Goodbye.